But what is important to try to make sure we've got is water for our calves. We need to make sure that the water's getting into the calves and getting into the rumen. When we've got calves that are milk fed, the milk is going into the abomasum. The milk flow comes in down the esophagus, and the esophageal groove will direct the milk into the abomasum. It bypasses the rumen entirely. And what we're trying to do with all the work in terms of calf rearing and rumen development is make this rumen into a giant fermentation vat so that the cows can go out there and utilize pasture and produce milk from it. So when we're feeding milk, it's coming into the abomasum. The abomasum's digesting all the nutrients in the milk, and all the liquid is going into there. But we also need liquid to go into the rumen. We want to make sure that the water is directed into the rumen, but we have to offer the water to the calves. And we also want to make an offering of nice water. So, as you're the only one at the front, which of those two would you prefer to drink? Yeah. So if we've got 2 lots of water here, I would definitely prefer to drink this one than this sort of grey looking one with bits and pieces floating around in it. But it is important to look at the water. You get better growth rates from having the water there, because when the feed particles and the bacteria are in the rumen, it all sloshes round and it gets absorbed much more easily with the water being there.